Hey guys, listen up because today I'm going to share something that might just change your life, especially in the bedroom. If you've been struggling to last longer in bed or feel like your stamina just isn't what it used to be, then you need to hear this. There's a special trick using a natural ingredient that's been a secret in Nigeria for centuries, and it's something you can use right at home. You won't believe how simple it is. We're talking about a special nut. Yes, a nut that's been helping men not just last longer but actually boost their overall performance. And the results? Guys who used to last just a few seconds in bed are now going for up to 30 minutes. Crazy, right? Let's be real for a minute. If you're watching this, you've probably faced the frustration of not lasting as long as you want in bed. It's a struggle that a lot of men go through, the feeling of letting yourself and your partner down. Maybe you've tried everything, different techniques, tips from the internet, or even medications, but nothing seems to work, and that pressure, that anxiety, can make things even worse. But what if I told you there's a natural way to fix this? A way to last longer, increase your stamina, and give you that confidence back in the bedroom, without pills or weird chemicals. This special nut I'm talking about comes from Nigeria, and it has some insane properties that can seriously boost your stamina. It's been used by men over there for generations, and now it's finally starting to get attention in other parts of the world. What it does is naturally increase blood flow, which not only makes you last longer but also helps you stay stronger and perform better. But here's the thing, you've got to use it the right way. There's a very specific way to prepare this nut that maximizes its effects. I can't get into all the details here, but don't worry. I've got a link in the description where you can watch a short video that explains exactly how to use this natural trick at home. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Imagine going from a few quick seconds to lasting 10, 20, or even 30 minutes. No more embarrassing moments, no more stress, just pure confidence every time. And here's the best part, this isn't some temporary fix. With consistent use, the benefits just keep getting better. You'll start noticing more stamina, better performance, and a real boost in your overall confidence. And it's not just about lasting longer, it's about feeling more energized, more in control, and finally getting rid of those frustrating moments where things don't go the way you want them to. All from using a simple, natural trick that's been around for centuries. Now, if you're as excited about this as I am, you need to check out the link in the description. There's a short video that shows exactly how to prepare and use this Nigerian nut to start seeing results fast. Don't wait. This could be the solution you've been searching for. Guys, it's time to take control of your performance. No more worrying about how long you'll last. No more disappointing finishes. Click the link below and watch the short video to learn how to use this natural trick at home. You've got nothing to lose, and trust me, the results will speak for themselves. If you're ready to stop struggling and start thriving in the bedroom, this Nigerian nut trick could be your answer. Don't waste any more time. Click the link in the description, watch the video, and get ready to change the game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you after you've seen those amazing results.